We're here at the Capsugel Lonza stand on one of the most striking booths in this hall. Delighted to be joined by Deepak. Thank you very much for joining us on CPhI TV. Alongside this magnificent display that you've brought, what else have you brought? What messages have you brought to CPhI India this year?
So Bruce, first of all, welcome to Capsugel Lonza. And as you rightly said, that this is the first time we are showcasing our global theme, basically how we showcase it globally. One of the key takeaways from Lonza's perspective in this CPhI is our portfolio offering. So we are talking about a lot about the alternate polymer capsules, and we are showcasing VCP, right, VCAP Plus, which is gaining a lot of traction, right? A lot of companies which are in the generic world or in the RX world, they're talking to us about the offerings, what differential advantages VCP brings on the table, you know. And there's a lot of interest which is being generated. We are also focusing with our vegetarian capsule offering, right, to the nutrition market, and this is where basically India plays a very, very major role with our typical traditional Indian medicines of Ayurveda, right? So this is one of the major messages what we have in the CPhI. The other message what we are talking about is the Lonza engine, right? If you were in Frankfurt, you saw that how we showcase the Lonza engine there. And in India also we are talking about the Lonza engine, where we are offering two different types of offerings, you know. One is with our gold offering and the other is our silver offering. In the silver offering, specifically for the developing countries, we are offering some of our collaborators from the East, you know, and we are showcasing our Fuchang range of instruments here, right? And we have the experts from Fuchang here to talk about the technology as well. So the idea is to be more collaborative with the customers, right, rather than being only transactional. So we are offering the complete solution now. You have the capsules, you have the machines, and this is what we are offering to the customers, right? So how can we increase the efficiency? What Lonza brings on the table with their technical expertise, with their quality teams on the table to talk to the customers about.
Far more than just ticking a box and shaking a hand and delivering a box of product. It's about working, collaborating with the customers, as indeed you've been doing here on the stand. It's been very busy since we've been here over the last few minutes. Tell me how important a show like CPhI is. You know, you invest a lot to be here and to be part of the CPhI family. As signified by the booth that you brought with you this year. Why is that so important to you as part of your marketing activity?
CPhI is one of the most important events for any company who is playing in pharma, and as we speak to you, basically, we are practically in all the countries where we have the CPhI being hosted. In India, it gains even more importance, you know, because India is becoming very, very prominent in the global generic map. Right now, as we speak, we have something like about 3 colleagues from US who are here. There are 3 guys from Europe who are joining. There are 5 people from China. So if you look at our international audience, international delegates within Lonza, we have a huge presence. And then of course the Indian team. So it's one forum where you can meet a wide spectrum of customers, you know, not only from the Indian multinationals, but also the multinationals, right? So it's a great forum to interact with a lot of collaborators.
It's been great to collaborate with you over the last 5 minutes or so. Deepak, thank you very much indeed for bringing your stand and your presence here to CPhI India this year.
Excellent, Bruce. Thank you very much and good luck. Thanks a lot.
Thank you.
Cheers.